In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a car seat on Lyft. To get started, open the Lyft app on your iPhone or Android device and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Make sure the app is updated so you can see the latest ride options and features. Once you're on the main screen, you're ready to set up your ride. Next, tap the Where To field and enter your destination. After that, check your pickup location and make sure it is correct. This part is important because Lyft will use that location to match you with the nearest available driver. If the pickup pin is slightly off, adjust it before moving on so there is no confusion when your driver arrives. Once your trip details are entered, scroll through the available ride types. This is where you'll check whether a car seat ride is offered in your area. Look for an option labeled Car Seat or Lyft Car Seat. Availability can vary depending on your city, time of day, and driver supply. So if you do not see this option, it usually means it is not currently available where you are. If the car seat option does appear, tap it to select that ride type. Before requesting the ride, take a moment to review the estimated fare and the expected arrival time. This helps you confirm that the option works for both your schedule and your budget before you continue. When you're ready, tap Request or Confirm to book the ride. Lyft will then begin matching you with a driver. Keep an eye on the app so you can follow the driver's location and estimated arrival in real time. When the driver arrives, take a moment to verify the vehicle before getting in. Confirm the driver's name and make sure the vehicle, make, model, and license plate match what you see in the app. You should also check that the child car seat is actually installed before entering the vehicle. This quick safety check helps ensure you're getting into the correct ride and that the car seat option you requested is in place. After that, place your child in the car seat and adjust the harness according to the manufacturer's instructions so the fit is secure and appropriate. Taking an extra moment here can make a big difference in safety and comfort during the ride. Once you arrive at your destination, exit the vehicle carefully and make sure everyone gets out safely. Payment will be processed automatically through the Lyft app, so there is nothing extra you need to do at the end of the trip. And that's how to request a car seat on Lyft.